Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Spider-Man 2 stuttering on PC. First, ensure Spider-Man 2 is updated to the latest patch, as updates often fix performance issues. Next, update your NVIDIA or AMD GPU drivers to the latest version. After that, restart your PC after updating. Another way is to reduce demanding settings like ray tracing, shadows and reflections, texture quality, and ambient occlusion. You can also turn off motion blur and VSync to reduce stuttering. Next, play in full screen instead of borderless or windowed mode, which can improve performance. Then set a frame rate limit matching your monitor, e.g. 60 FPS, 120 FPS. You can enable FPS smoothing if available. Another fix is to close heavy programs like Discord overlay, web browsers, and streaming apps to free CPU and RAM. The next step is to adjust CPU settings. Now open the NVIDIA control panel and select the Manage 3D settings. Here, select Program Settings and reach the Spider-Man 2. After that, set Power Management mode to preserve maximum performance. Following that, set Low Latency mode by selecting on. For AMD, open Radeon software and select Gaming. Then, choose Spider-Man 2 and optimize for performance. Right-click the Spider-Man 2 exe and select Properties. Now go to the Compatibility and select Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Next, you have to go to System. Here, select Advanced and choose the Performance option. After that, reach the virtual memory and increase the paging file size if RAM is low. Ensure your CPU and GPU are in thermal throttling. Make sure to clean dust from fans and consider better cooling. Some PCs or laptops have a performance or high performance mode. You can enable it to prioritize resources. If stuttering persists after all tweaks, a fresh installation can fix corrupted files causing frame drops. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.